Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made the Bonefish Girl coconut pie, y'all, with rum sauce, of course. Anyways, you guys, I'm just going to start off with my milk. So I'm using whole milk, and then I'm going to be adding my heavy cream, and I'm also going to be adding eggs, lots of eggs, okay, because this is going to be like a custard type of pie. So yeah, it takes a few eggs. Alright, and now that I've added my eggs, I'm just going to give this a quick whisk to break up those yolks. Then I'm adding my sugar and my flour and my vanilla extract, and then I'm going to give that a quick whisk again to break up those lumps in the flour and to make it smooth, okay? I'm also adding some sweetened coconut flakes, shredded coconut actually, not the flakes, but shredded coconut, and then I mix that up and I'm adding it to my pie dish. This wasn't deep enough for all of that filling, so you can half this recipe if you like. And yeah, basically I just put the rest in another dish to bake off. Please just make sure it's oven safe, okay? So I've put that in my preheated oven and I moved on to making the rum sauce. So here I have my skillet heating up and I am adding my butter to that to melt, and then I'm gonna add my brown sugar to that as well. You can half this as well because I do have a lot of sauce left over after we finished the pie. So yeah, I would recommend halving this part of it so you don't have so much sauce left over. I have a fair amount, good enough for about 2 or 3 more pies, to be honest. So yeah, and it's pretty strong, it's very tasty and it's pretty strong. So this is not for kids, so please, you know, if you don't believe me, try it first and then you'll know whether or not to give your kids. But I would not recommend this because it's actual rum in there, not extract or anything like that. So please, 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 please. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just making that melt together. After that's done, I'm going to remove it from the heat, and then I'm going to add my golden rum to that, okay? Up a little bit just to melt that sugar a little bit faster, okay? So I decided to go in with my whisk because those lumps in those brown sugar was really stubborn. So yeah, I did what I had to do to get it smooth and nice and soft, and that was done. So I turned my heat off. Now I'm going to be adding my rum to that. I'll have everything in the description box below and the amounts that I've used, but you could just you know, half the recipe. So now that my pie is done and cooled, I'm just gonna cut a slice to let you guys see how it looks. This is a soft pie, so be careful when you're taking it out of the dish, okay? Yeah, it's pretty soft. Plus I wasn't even using a proper spatula. I was using my cake spatula for this, so maybe you have a better luck at getting a perfect slice than I did. There you go. And then I'm just gonna pour the rum sauce over that. The rum sauce actually went cold and I just warmed it up in the microwave just to give it that, you know. But this was super delicious, you guys. Look at that. Now wouldn't you eat that? It's super delicious. Anyways, you guys, look at that. there you go. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.